Alright, Midwest Picker here. Going for a woods walk. Today is February 13, 2023. It's 10 a.m. It's crispy. It's about 32 degrees. Got my boots on. I'm going to go out here on the property. The reason I'm doing this now is the weather's beautiful. It's supposed to be 50 degrees today. And as you can see, everything is dead. So by June, July, this will be so green. You won't be able to see any of this stuff. So I want to get this recorded while you can see it. So we've only been here a year and a half. And I've just, well, there's a lot of briars right here. I've discovered a lot of trash out in this swamp. So there's pressure treated lumber. Like this baby right here. This thing is great. This thing is big. I have no idea what it was used for. There's some pressure treated lumber there. A doghouse. A lot of potential firewood. Bricks everywhere. This one is just, what in the heck? So that's pressure treated lumber. It is big. I'm probably going to have to tie a chain to it and attach it to my car. Oh, what's this? Oh, we got a den. I'll leave that alone because whatever lives in there is probably hibernating. I wish I had zoom on this GoPro, but anyway. A big hole usually means a big critter. So it could be a raccoon, possum, I don't know, but I'm going to leave them alone. So yeah, over here I got more wood. So I'm going to have to dig this out when it gets warm. Probably March. There's another hole. There's some wood there. March, April, May, before it gets real green. I'm gonna clean this up and get rid of all this wood. So my question to my reselling friends, this wood can be repurposed. So what would you do? Would you sell it on Facebook Marketplace, Craigslist? Would you give it away for free? Or would you repurpose it yourself? I am the kind of guy that would just, there might be something living under there. I'm the kind of guy that would just give it away for free. Because it is weathered. I mean, this post is not that old. This looks like an old swing set that someone dumped in here. I'm the kind of guy that gives stuff away for free because people need it, and in this economy, I don't need the money, and I know some people are hurting and need stuff like this for whatever projects, probably build a chicken coop. But here's like a small pallet of bricks, like patio bricks. I don't know what to do with these. They're still good. Most likely give them away. Plenty of firewood, you know, just randomly. There's logs, branches. I mean, this is kind of rotten, but over here there's some firewood. We don't have a burn pit. We don't have a fireplace. We wouldn't have any use for this. Over here, heavily weathered, I guess, potential firewood that if someone had a log splitter, they could split this stuff and burn it if they wanted. I don't know. It's just taking up space. And then during a storm this winter, we lost this tree. So I'm gonna have, look at that. Not necessarily rotten, it's still good. So that's good wood for a fire pit or fireplace. So I'm gonna have to have a family member come over with a chainsaw that wants it and cut it up for me. So underneath it, as you can see, there's some more pressure treated 4x4 posts just laying there. There's old Christmas trees. And the further, I haven't even been back there yet. I've lived here a year and a half. I have not even been in there. So yeah, more wood over here. So yeah, put down in the comments, what would you do? Would you give it away? Would you sell it? Or would you repurpose it? Now that pressure treated lumber can be repurposed into anything. Elevated garden, a chicken coop. That's right, folks, I have a chicken coop. It needs work. Been damaged by the storms over the years. Branches have fallen on it. Watch me poke my eye out. So the temptation is to fix this up, fix this fencing. The chicken coop itself is fine, it's solid as a rock, and I guess we could get chickens if we wanted to. Those eggs are about $7 a dozen, but I'm sure the prices will come down over time. So yeah, I almost gave that chicken coop away for free. Decided to keep it. So put down in the comments too some building project ideas. What could I, if I were to keep this and repurpose it, what the heck would I do with it? I don't want to give it away if there's something I could do. So any project ideas, put them down in the comments. If you think I should just give it away for free, put it down in the comments. If you think I should sell it, how much would you sell it for? I can't imagine people paying for it. It's kind of rough. But imagine what's underneath those leaves. If this is what you can see, if I start digging in a couple months, I'm going to find all kinds of stuff, because unfortunately people in years past used this as their personal dump, and I ain't doing that anymore. So this is some big wood over here. I don't know if these are attached. I think these were giant trees that were felled a long time ago. I don't think they're just sitting here. No, these are massive. Look how big this is. It's like 4 foot in diameter. There's 2 here. I wish I knew the history of these things. You can see they cut them down on purpose right here with a chainsaw. They weren't knocked down in a storm. There's this big one here. And these things are granddaddies. They're huge. More out there. May have been victims of a storm, who knows. What could I do with these stumps? I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 massive stumps. What the heck? I guess you could take a chainsaw to them and cut them down into firewood. Personally, I have no idea, but they at one time were huge trees. So that's it, guys. Thanks for coming on this woods walk with me. Thanks for any ideas. You can email me too. My email's down below in the description. Over here we got cement blocks. Isn't that pretty? Somebody just threw a bunch of broken cement down in there. I don't know what I'm going to do with that. That wood is too far gone to burn, I think. So that's it. Winter 2023 with Midwest Picker. Thanks for watching.